just led his team to imminent doom every single fight. Yeah, it gets complicated. But if those players like spam certain heroes, if everyone play the same way and pick the same heroes, then you get a much better gauge. But people have a much different style of approaching ranked and just matchmaking in general. Like, I'm pretty sure Puppy would be way higher if, like, everyone was around his rating all the time. And Europe is not so bad, though, because it's very easy to get, like, 7k average games. But US is getting pretty decent, too. Like, 40 are just an NA game, WWD is an NA game, EE is also in an NA game, so that's 3 people. That's, like, 6.k plus average. Stan King's also an NA. Used to not be like that. Oh, Brood was our tour? That makes more sense.
10 seconds
Oh, I can't random anymore. G.
5 seconds remaining.
Definitely some chicken snipe time. Yeah, am I gonna get Silver Edge to break people? Probably not. Am I gonna hit people for 850? Probably not. These are hard. They have no channeled spells. Purge buffs using Greaves. That sounds actually the most likely if I actually buy Greaves. But want to buy Greaves? I don't know about that. Maybe. Yeah, Bix, we're gonna do it. And our 4 slots this time.
Prepare for battle.
Let's see, what other quests do I have? Magic damage? 17,500 is really high. Let's get Greaves. Screw it. Oh wait, no, we have an Underlord. Crap! Need to pick a different quest. Interrupt? No. I don't even know. Whatever, I'll try this one. It's not great, but...
30 seconds to battle.
Nature calls. Not yet. By my shaggy bark. I'm not ready. Green, Michael. Plans out.
The battle begins.
What?
The season arrives.
It's missing his creep block, which I'm okay with.
So I go.
Now, I'm afraid Andy is not feeling well this week, which means we're stuck with just me, James. So let's all send Andy a tweet at Andy_Kuranda and wish him better. Thank you all so much for supporting our latest EP on Enhanced Progressive, Zazie and Banshee. You've all been amazing. And you can join us on Twitter right now with #Kuranda Show and let us know where you're from. So opening the show was the incredible production skills of Mr. Andrew Bayer, featuring Anne Brun.
The wild is calling.
Lose Sight. And then we had Edu featuring Natalia Gioio.
Wild is my way.
You and Me, remixed by LTN. And now we turn on the lights with
For the
my
tree.
Really hard without Trance, by the way. But that's the price you pay for getting a deep ward so you can kill chickens.
With a wild spirit. Through shady lanes. En route.
Okay, that was pointless.
On my way.
Oh no.
By my shaggy bar.
This guy's just not using chicken. Uh-oh.
En route. Approaching. With a wild spirit. Yeah.
Where the hell did chicken go?
So I go.
Oh my god. Guys just juked the shit out of me.
My hidden paths. On my way. Uproot and after first blood. Nature calls. Yes. Naturally. In sylvan shade.
Never mind. Rip is coming.
With me. Attack. The seeds are formed. Through shady lanes. In green, I go. En route. Come. On my way.
Give it to. Never mind.
Fury. Power wells up naturally. With a wild spirit.
Let's do it.
Through shady lanes.
He had 6.
By my shaggy bar. Nature calls.
Abort.
Yeah.
Not exactly what I wanted to happen.
Go green. By eat and live.
Classic.
New life will make its home amongst your full roots and run.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Green wrath. Nature's ferocity.
Radiant structures are fortified. The enemy's top tower has been denied.
My hidden paths. Eevee.
Your middle tower is under attack.
So, uproot and after. With a wild spirit.
Corey, you want this?
Through shady lanes. Double damage. Yes. Nature calls. Warriors of the wood. Killing spree. Timber.
Oh, painful.
Radiant structures are fortified. The enemy's bottom tower has fallen. Your top tower is under attack.
Oh, I thought it was mega dead.
with Nick Thomas. Still looking forward to playing with these guys next month at the Enhanced Music Nights hosted by Digital Society in Leeds, UK. But
Blade mail.
so it's LA by Separating Sound.
The glens are calling. Uproot you. By my shaggy bark. Sniff.
Stupendous!
Wild is my way. Branch out. The wild is calling. How sweetly the sap flows. In sylvan shade. It's not violent. And move with me. My hidden paths. It's not hard. My leave and live. Yes.
That was not the best idea I've had. Thought Corey might come. That's okay. This Jug just walking a Roche like that. No bigs.
I could not bear to be away from the sacred woods. Nature's ferocity. In sylvan shade.
That's a chain feed.
By my shaggy bond.
Radiant structures are fortified.
Naturally.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
Bring back.
Roshan has fallen. Immortality is mine.
Pull roots and run. These are free, let them be. I'm under attack. Yeah.
Eat a tree still stuck.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Warriors of the
Your
wood.
top tower is under attack.
En route. Attack. Fighting paths. On my way. Uproot and after.
Mega kill! Stormy!
Nature calls. With a wild spirit. Not yet. Go breathe the seeds of
Just gonna go health this game. Tank for our other guys.
the seeds of fortune. Hide the wilds. So I don't.
Unstoppable!
Naturally.
trying to get better at my non-surround sprouts. Just make positioning really difficult for them in team fights. It's when they get a lot of quelling blades, it's better to do it that way, by the way. Or else they'll just eat one tree and get out of it, and your surround does nothing.
Wild spirit. Nature's ferocity.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen. Dire's courier has been slain.
Let's get a solar.
The enemy's top tower has fallen.
Fighting in sylvan shade. Bird and fury.
So sick of cold snaps.
With a wild spirit. In sylvan shade.
Send us a tweet with hashtag Kuranda Show to get in touch, or visit facebook.com
Nature calls.
music. But now the journey of sunny Noah Demon
Branching out
on MyMax.
by my shaggy bark. The seeds of
Kilt Fools. Cover your eyes.
Forgot I had dust.
Stupendous!
Don't think it's up, but maybe. Death.
on my way.
It's gonna block these spawns. They're more likely to take it than we are.
So I go. Naturally. Through shady lane, the seeds of fortune. Fighting paths. Limber
Let's get Veil. Help our team out a little bit.
by my shaggy bark.
Damn, forgot about Shri.
Roots and ride through shady lanes. A beat of green. Wild is my way.
Roshan has fallen to the dire. Immortality is mine!
En route. Uproot and after that. Naturally. Not
Uh-oh.
on my way.
No! Okay, the Blade Mail just owned him. Nice. Blade Mail, good item. Just need more HP now. Scepter? Scepter. Does that give me the most HP? Probably. Didn't veil him though.
Sylvan shade. Grim I go. Fighting paths. Feel nature's wrath.
Double kill! Ah! Double kill!
Leave us. Warriors
The
of
enemy's bottom tower has fallen. The enemy's bottom barracks have fallen.
branch out.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
In sylvan shade.
The enemy's middle barracks have fallen. The enemy's middle barracks have fallen.
Uproot and after that.
The enemy's top tower has fallen. The enemy's top barracks have fallen. The enemy's top barracks have fallen. You now have mega creeps. Double kill!
It's probably one of my favorite things to do. Run along the meteor with Blade Mail on.
Nature calls.
enemy's middle tower has fallen.
No, don't pop the no. That was actually pretty funny. It's like, don't pop the shield. I don't know how I'm supposed to get out of that, but don't pop the shield, please. Man, MP's so fun.